Karangu Muraya has suffered a huge loss na agatigwo na kĩeha kĩnene na maithori agĩcakaya gĩkuũ kĩa mũndũ arendete mũno, someone who was very close to him, but unfortunately he has passed away. Na Karangu wa Muraya, filled with so much pain and sadness, took to his social media pages na gũkorwo agĩpen a very painful and emotional tribute kũrĩ mũrata wake wa hakuhĩ mũno, akĩmugĩra ũhoro and also sharing the sad news with his fans and followers, akiuga ma nĩ haritũ na akĩendithĩria mũrata wake kũhurũka kwega, na agĩkorwo agĩtũma rambirambi ciake kũrĩ family ya mũrata ũyũ wake. Na Karangu shared this akiuga, a great friend of mine has rested. May your soul rest in peace, Pastor Kamau James. May our loving Lord comfort your family. Karangu wa Muraya akiuga ũyũ ararĩ mũrata wake wa hakuhĩ mũno egwĩtwo Pastor Kamau James, no he has sadly rested. Na ashirika ake, mafans na followers a Karangu wa Muraya marakorwo makĩyumĩria na njĩra nene mũno ona kũnyitanĩra na Karangu wa Muraya na family ya mũtigairĩ Pastor Kamau James ona gũtũma rambirambi ciao. Teresia Wanjiru, comfort to his family and friends. You have fought a good fight and kept the faith. May your soul rest in peace, Pastor Kamau. Grace Masharia, condolences to the family. Rest in peace, my first boss, Pastor James Kamau. You are a humble person, Baba Shiro. And Murugi, R.I.P. May God strengthen and comfort his family at this hard time. God is your strength. Onake Anita Jose, condolences to the family at large. May he rest in peace. Sarah Dongo, my sincere condolences to the family. May your soul rest peacefully with the Lord. Ona ithuĩ our deepest condolences kũrĩ Karangu wa Muraya na family ya James Kamau, Pastor James Kamau at large. Ngai aromahe hinya ihinda-inĩ rĩrĩ iritũ, and may he rest in eternal peace. Na ndũgakĩriganĩrwo gũsubscribe for the latest and trending Kikuyu celebrity news. Never miss an update. Subscribe now.